identify this number? 1, isn't it? Okay, what about this? 10. Very good. What about this? 100. So what are we doing? We're just adding more and more zeros. So now, if I tell you how to write 1000, the answer will be 3 zeros next to 1. Alright, now let's learn something called the place value chart. So do you know what is this? It looks somewhat like this. We always read the place value chart from the right side. So what is there in the rightmost side? It is written as ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, and then 10,000s. So if I just give you a number 1, we can put this number in the place value chart under the ones place. That is, we are going to start putting the digits from the right side. So if our next value is 10, what we will do? We will see which is the digit in the right side. So the last digit is 0. At first we are going to place that digit in the ones place, and the next digit will come left to it, that is in the tens place. So that's why it is called 10. Why is it called 10? Because it starts from the tens place. Alright. Now if I give you 100, how to place them? 0 will go to the ones place, the next 0 will go to the tens place, and the 1 we will put it under the hundreds place. That's why it is called 100. Okay. Now if I give you a number that is 1000, in that case again we are going to do the same thing. 0 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, and 1 in the thousands place, and that's why this number is called 1000. But here you must know that there is a group. Okay, so 100, tens and ones, these three places are in one group, and from this portion it comes under the thousands group. That is the next group. So here we should give a comma. Just after 3 digits, we should give a comma to separate the digits. So these are the groups. Now let's go to the next case. This is how we should write 1000, 1000. Now we have a number like this. How many zeros are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 zeros. So let us put them in the right place values. Okay. So this will be their places and this will be their groups. So do you know how should we put the commas? After the first 3 digits from the right side, 0, 0, 0, we are going to put a comma. The next group is the thousands group, and we have 2 places in the thousands group, 10,000 and 1000. So here we are not putting any comma. Alright. So what is the final answer? It will be 10,000. It is written like this. Let's try the next one. But what comes on writing 5 zeros next to 1? Now we have to learn about 2 number systems. One is called the Indian number system and the other is called the international number system. If there are 5 zeros next to 1, we can put it in either ways. Well, let's try with the Indian number system first. So, in the Indian number system, now the place value chart expands to this: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Can you tell me how are they grouped? So ones, tens and hundreds come in one group. Thousands and 10,000s come in the next group. So here we will be putting a comma when we write the number. Lakhs and 10 lakhs will be in the next group. We can again put a comma after this group, and crores, 10 crores and beyond will be in the next group. So in this place we can again write a comma. Well, let's try to place. So our rightmost digit will go to the ones place, then next one will go to the tens place, after that it will go to the hundreds place, then it will go to the thousands place, and then it will go to the 10,000s place, and finally the one will go to the lakhs place. We do not have anything in 10 lakhs, crores or 10 crores. We do not need to put anything there. So the place values of those things are 0. So finally this number is called 1 lakh. And how are we putting the commas? 0, 0, 0 from the right side. Then we are putting 1 comma for this group. Again for the thousand group we are putting 0 in 10,000s and thousands place. Then we are putting a comma, and for 1 lakh we are putting 1. This is how it goes. Now let's go to our next slide. Before that, let's see what are the groupings. Alright, fine. Now if we try to write the same thing in the international number system, let's first see how the international number system works. So there is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s as it is, but after 10,000, it's not lakhs, it is 100,000. After 100,000, it is millions, then 10 millions, 100 millions, and then there is billions. So how will the groupings work? Let us just give an idea. After hundreds, we will give a comma. Hundreds, tens and ones are in one group in international number system. Then thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. These three friends are in the next group. So the next group is the group of thousands. All the 3,000s will be there. The next group, again we have three friends. This group is the millions group, and here we will have millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. The next group start from billion, and we can have 10 billion, 100 billion and so on. So let's try to put this number. In this case, 0 will go to the ones place, the next 0 in the tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, then 10,000 place, and after that then 1 will go to the 100,000s place instead of going to the lakhs place for the international number system. So the number of digits are same. We have 1 and then we have 5 zeros next to 1. But for the Indian number system, we are calling it 1 lakh. For the international number system, we will divide this number into two groups and we will call it as 100,000. The comma will be put here. Okay. So there will be only one comma because 100,000, 10,000s and thousands, these three digits are in one group. So we will just write 100, and for this 3 we will make another group 000, and the name is 100,000. Let's go to the next part. Okay, so now there is a comparison with Indian number system and international number system. We are having the same number of digits, but look at the place values. So the value that is 1 lakh in Indian number system is 100,000 in international number system. The rest things are same. From 10,000 to ones, this side is same. We have difference in these sides. Okay, so let's check another digit. Now we have, let us count how many digits we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So in total we have 7 digits, both for Indian number system and international number system. So can you tell me what can I call this number in Indian number system? See, 1 is in the place of 10 lakhs. So we will call this number as 10 lakh. How will we put the commas? So after ones, tens and hundreds, we will put a comma. Then after thousands and 10,000s, we'll put again a comma in Indian number system because the thousands group ends here with 2 values. Then for lakhs and 10 lakhs, we can give a comma here again, but since we do not have anything else here, so we will not give that comma. Let's erase the comma. Now let's try for international number system. First tell me what should I call this number in international number system? It's in the millions place. So we will call this number as 1 million. Now let's try giving the commas. So we will give comma from the right side after the first 3 digits, hundreds, tens and ones. After that, the thousands groups in the international number system consists of 3 places: 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So we will give a comma after 3 places, and there is 1 in this place, so this can be called as 1 million. Alright, now we have Indian number system chart and international number system chart. Can you tell me from the chart, 1 crore equal to how many millions and 1 million equal to how many lakhs? Well, that's a homework for you. Keep commenting and tell me. See you on the next video. And if you like the video, please do not forget to share, subscribe and comment. Goodbye.